Akirekereria ndumiriri ya mbanjeti ya mwaka wa 2022 na 2023, minista wa kigina Ukur Yattani niaugite thirikari nene nihotete kugacirithia tabarira imwe cia uthii wa nambere ona thengia wa bururi kugumirwo ni king'uki gia COVID-19 mwaka wa 2020 na gucoka kuhota kwandikithia gukura kwa utonga wa bururi na gicunji kia 7.6 harĩ igana mwaka wa 2021. Thirikari nirerahira kugacirithia tabarira itiganite rungu rwa itugi 4 cia uthii wa nambere kuria mubango wa kazi mtaani wa gukuria mbeu njithi ukwandika makiria ma mbeu njithi 200,000 guothe bururi-ini, kugacirithia ruhonge rwa githomo rungu rwa mutaratara wa CBC kuria makiria ma arutwo 1,000,000 matanyitwo kuingira junior secondary mwaka wa 2023, waki wa thibitari 50 cia gikiro kia level 4 kaunti-ini ciothe 47 guothe bururi-ini niguo kugacirithia ugima mwega wa mwiri rungu rwa mubango wa UHC.
Kazi mtaani program to create employment for over 200,000 youth across the country. 2. Preparation of the education sector for the transition in the competency-based curriculum. Construction of additional 50 new level 3 hospitals in uncovered and densely populated areas across the country to enhance access to medical services.
Hamwe noguo tabarira cia waki wa barabara ni ikinyanirio kuria thirikari ihotete gwikira rami ya uraihu wa kilomita 10,500 guothe bururi-ini, urikiriru wa reri ya SGR iria ihuthitie migendere ya muingi kuria makiria ma athii 6.5 ni mahuthirite mugithi wa SGR guku makiria ma tani 17.6 cia mirigo igikuo ni mugithi wa mirigo kuma mwaka wa 2018 nginyanagia mwaka wa 2021.
Poverty prevalence rate declined from 36.1% in 2013 to 33.6% in 2019. Completion of the standard gauge railway has not only eased movement of passengers during the period, but also led to the transportation of 17.6 million tons of cargo between 2018 and 2021.
Yatani ninge niaugite makiria ma micii 8.3 ni tambirio thitima tabarira-ini iria irathii na mbere guothe bururi-ini ukiringithanio na mwaka wa 2013 kuria no micii 2.3 ya tambirio thitima.
Government triple power generation from 1,300 megawatts to the current 3,900 megawatts. Of these, 73% is from green source, thus consolidating Kenya's leading generation of green energy in Africa. These have significantly increased the number of households connected to electricity to more than 8.3 million today compared to 2.3 million in 2013.
Hari miaka 5 mihituku thirikari ni igacirithĩtie utonga wa maĩ-ini na kuhota kuhingũra gicukiro kia meri kia Lamu, Kisumu na ceceni ya guthondeka meri iria thuku Mombasa, hamwe na waki wa thoko ya kĩrĩu ya thamaki mwena wa Liwatoni gicũa-ini.
Last 5 years, the country has heavily invested in measures to expand marine fisheries, grow marine transport and logistics, and establishing Kenya as a source of quality and cost-effective labor.
Hamwe na uguo ceceni 52 cia huduma centers ni hingũrĩtwo niguo kuheana motungata ma thirikari kuri muingi, kuria thirikari ihotete kũngania kigina gia ciringi bilioni 87.1. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV njĩtagwo Gathoni wa Ng'ang'a.